Hello guys, this is your host from TradeDrive speaking, and this is week number 50 of the preview and review. The preview of week 50 coming, and the review of week 49. And you guys can see we have all of these four pairs that we analyzed in the previous week 49 video. So let us start with GBP USD and see how it played out. And this is on the H4, guys. And you guys can see that is how the GBP USD played out. So when we analyze the market here, we had a bit of a drawdown of uh 30, 40 pips, and profits extended so far as 100 pips almost. Yes. So if you ended here, you still be like 70 pips or 50 pips still in profit. So that's for GBP USD. Euro USD, how it went is like this, right? So here actually was a drawdown. Yeah, there was drawdown of like 250 or 330 pips. Then profits extended all the way to like almost 100 pips, actually 90 pips, right? So that was also a good trade that we set out for you guys. And we have now gold. What happened to gold? Gold also did the most, guys. Gold did the most. So yeah. So 3 winning trades so far from out of the 4. And let us see on USD JPY. Yeah, USD JPY was a total howler, blunder, right? Although the previous weeks we analyzed the sell from this area and this area was smashed. But now we also said that if you buy from me and this area gets broken, it's going to just sell. If you guys just watch the previous video, week 49, and you understand why we took this trade and explained that if this breaks, we are selling, and we're wanting for this area to hold and break these areas so we can have a bullish structure and bullish flow in the market. So right now, what are we looking at now? What are we looking at? We're still looking at the same pairs, right? Going to be looking at the same pairs, and we're going to be using the H4 to be analyzing this pair. So the weekly review of week 49 is done. So now we're gonna go into a preview, right? Pre-analysis of week 50. Yes, week 50, preview of week 50. So there we go, guys. So we are currently very bearish, right? Currently very bearish. So we are currently on a zone here, flip zone. So we could be seeing slow momentum or reaction on this area. So we can go to the H1 and see what is more likely to happen. And you guys can see that the market has been respecting, right, of this trend line, right? But then it is not really what you're looking at. Not just looking at the trend line, but you're looking at the divergence, right? Looking at the divergence of this trend line. So divergence was happening for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So this is clearly 5 days of consolidation. We've been consolidating within this downward channel. As you guys can see, the market has just been consolidating a bit within this channel, right? Although it's clearly trending downwards, but yeah, this is building momentum, guys. It's building momentum. So what do we expect here? we expect price at least to break and bounce from there. So I'm not going to be interested until price breaks this channel, and then I can buy at least from the retest of the channel, right? Yep. So that is for Euro USD. Let's go for GBP USD. What's happening on GBP USD? Let me put our trademark logo. This is usually things for private mentorship, but so let me do this quick. Otherwise, private mentorship 3 what? And 3024. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. So he's now GBP USD similar to what Euro USD is doing. We broke significant areas of demand. So now we are sitting here, the significant area of so demand. So we've been creating supply all along. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for at least such areas, right, to be broken, right? Such areas to be broken. And also we can go your smaller time frames like the 15-minute, right? And see what areas are we much likely to break. So here on the smaller time frame, there seems to be like a lot of noise. So I should really stick to the bigger time frame and see what is going on. And we can see the same thing is happening on GBP USD that has happened on Euro USD. And we can see that this demand area will likely hold us because we have been sitting here for like a day or so, right? Or how many hours is this? This is like 12 hours. So we've been here on this retesting this zone for quite a while. So what we're looking for is this break, right? And then we can go higher and clear some of these highs. Or what we are wanting to see is the market coming to retest this area and moving back up, right? So the same with Euro USD, we are bullish on them, and with GBP USD. So what's happening with gold, right? What's happening with gold? What we see with gold is we have formed a huge supply. So guys can see this huge candle. This bearish candle has really made supply visible. So what we're waiting for this is we wanting price to go back there, and then we can continue buying. We have been in an uptrend, guys. So we are just having to follow the market. There's no other thing that we have to do. All right. So here is USD JPY, right? And we were buying it in the previous one from here, but failed, right? So because we're assuming all the GBP, USD, Euro USD, gold will be selling. So these things you're supposed to be buying, but it just went in the same direction as the other pairs, which are inversely correlated, and it doesn't just make sense why this one didn't sell. Okay. We can see now here, guys, that we had big supply, big weekly supply. We are wanting to distribute from that zone, that area right there. And what are we going to expect? We are going to expect a continuation of this trend. So you guys can see this is very much a downtrend now, right? This is very much a downtrend. Yep. So that is all for analysis. So what I am going to do, I will have to analyze this and record all of this as I did before, right? I have to go record this on TradingView so that the next time we come and make a review on what has happened, we have history of what we have analyzed. So right now, what's happening now? As you guys can see, we are clearly in the blues with this within this target. So I think we have to change our bias here, right? And go with a buy, especially after reacting on this zone right here. And so we have to go with the buy, put a stop loss there, and then we can at least aim right here, right? Can aim right there, and just screenshot and publish this. So I think you guys can also do this for you guys to also improve your learning, right? You guys can be doing this to improve your learning. Buying EURUSD on demand zone. High probability using risk management. I think you guys should also emphasize risk management as well. And yeah, so I'll be doing this with the rest and just ending the video here. Thanks for watching and hope you guys have learned something, and stay tuned for week 51 preview and review of the market. Peace.